So this is an exercise called the heel slide, and it's one of the exercises that falls into the family of motor control or motor coordination style exercises. It's really important to remember that with this type of exercise, it's not about getting hot and sweaty or building up big muscles, but it's about really focused concentration and coordination of musculature. So what Will is going to do is I'm going to ask him to slide his left foot forward until it hits my hand. So go ahead, Will. Good, and back. And a little bit further. Good, and back. And you'll notice as Will does this, he's maintaining a really, really neutral pelvic position. No tilting or gripping or anything like that. A little bit further, Will. Good, and back. A little bit more. Good, and back. And now all the way out and back. And you'll notice that this pelvis stays nice and neutral. Now, a really nice tool we like to use for this exercise is just a simple ball. This is a lacrosse ball, it could be a tennis ball, anything like that. Something that will roll off the abdomen if you move too much. So rather than thinking about gripping to stabilize this exercise, what works quite nicely is if you place a ball here on the pelvis and simply give yourself the task of not letting the ball roll off and just see what happens. So go ahead, Will, let's slide that leg forward. Good, and this is Will's being a very good patient and demonstrating nice and slowly. This is a pretty good speed. You could do it slightly faster than this if you like. Show us a sort of normal speed. Yeah, really, really good. And back. No faster than that. It's a motor control exercise. And Will, can you show us one where you show us a not neutral pelvis, so where the ball might fall off? The problem is he's too good at it. Okay, but what we'll often find is if we move too much, the ball will fall off. That's a sign that the pelvis wasn't neutral and we didn't hold position. So try that exercise, and when you're ready, you can progress to the next exercise, which is the toe tap.